Right, Reverend Marian Butta's appeal directly follows President Trump's executive orders that have significantly altered the landscape of immigration and the protection of transgender rights within the United States. These orders represent a stark departure from the policies enacted during the Biden administration. Specifically, Trump's directives have effectively rescinded protective measures for transgender Americans, leaving them vulnerable to discrimination and prejudice. Simultaneously, these executive orders have laid the groundwork for a substantial increase in deportations, potentially impacting a vast number of individuals and families. The implications of these actions are far-reaching, extending beyond the immediate impact on those directly affected to touch upon the broader fabric of American society and its international standing. The influence wielded by the world's wealthiest individuals over President Trump's presidency is a matter of considerable concern, particularly regarding its potential destabilizing effect on global stability and democratic principles. A recent poll, conducted among over 2,000 millionaires, highlighted this very concern. The survey, undertaken shortly after Trump's inauguration, which was notably attended by a significant number of the world's ultra-rich, including prominent figures like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Jeff Bezos, revealed a widespread apprehension about the level of influence exerted by this select group. The implications of this undue influence are deeply troubling, potentially undermining the principles of fair governance and equitable representation. The findings underscore the urgent need for greater transparency and accountability in political processes to safeguard against the disproportionate influence of concentrated wealth. The Patriotic Millionaires Campaign, a significant voice advocating for economic justice, has gained considerable traction, garnering support from an impressive coalition of high-net-worth individuals. Their recent letter, addressed to world leaders, urges the implementation of a global wealth tax as a crucial step towards addressing wealth inequality. This call to action has garnered remarkable support, with over 370 millionaires and billionaires from 22 countries lending their names to the initiative. Among the prominent signatories are Abigail Disney, a renowned philanthropist and film producer, Brian Eno, the acclaimed musician, and Richard Curtis, the celebrated director. Their involvement underscores the growing recognition of the need for progressive tax reform on a global scale, reflecting a shared commitment to a more equitable distribution of wealth and resources. Southern California is bracing for strong winds forecast for Wednesday, prompting urgent warnings to residents to revisit their evacuation plans. This heightened alert comes as new wildfires erupt in a region already grappling with the devastating aftermath of the Palisades and Eaton blazes. The precarious situation is further compounded by the persistently dry conditions, creating a tinderbox environment ripe for further fire outbreaks. The prevailing weather pattern is cause for considerable apprehension, particularly given the ongoing vulnerability of fire-ravaged landscapes. The potential for rapid fire spread poses a significant threat, demanding swift and decisive action from authorities to mitigate risks and ensure public safety. While some rain is predicted for the Los Angeles area this weekend, offering a glimmer of hope, meteorologist Ryan Kittle cautions against complacency. He warns that heavy rainfall could trigger a catastrophic worst-case scenario, specifically highlighting the potential for devastating landslides on already fragile, fire-scorched slopes. The unpredictable nature of weather patterns and the sensitive condition of the affected areas underscores the need for ongoing vigilance and preparedness. The delicate balance between welcome precipitation and the risk of catastrophic secondary effects necessitates a cautious and informed approach to managing the aftermath of these devastating fires. Pete Hegseth's former sister-in-law has leveled serious allegations against him, claiming aggressive behavior that caused her to fear for her safety. This claim, reported by NBC News, is supported by an affidavit submitted to senators. These allegations highlight concerns surrounding domestic abuse and underscore the critical importance of addressing such issues with sensitivity and thoroughness. The seriousness of the accusations necessitates a comprehensive investigation to ascertain the facts and ensure appropriate action is taken. In a surprising turn of events, President Trump has granted a full and unconditional pardon to Ross Ulbricht, the founder of the Silk Road, an illegal online drug marketplace. This decision has sparked significant debate and scrutiny, raising questions about the criteria used for granting pardons and the wider implications for the justice system. The controversial nature of the pardon will undoubtedly fuel ongoing discussions regarding presidential authority and its potential for misuse. Harvard University has agreed to adopt a controversial definition of antisemitism, a move criticized by many for potentially shielding Israel from legitimate criticism. This decision, part of settlements reached in court following complaints by Jewish students, has raised concerns about freedom of speech and the potential for stifling dissent. The implications of this definition will undoubtedly be closely scrutinized for its impact on academic discourse and the broader debate surrounding Israel and its policies. A significant snowstorm, described as a once-in-a-lifetime event, has struck the southern United States, particularly impacting coastal counties near the Texas-Louisiana border. This unprecedented blizzard warning marks a stark contrast to the region's typically milder climate and underscores the unpredictable nature of extreme weather events. The impact of this severe weather event will undoubtedly be felt across various sectors, necessitating robust emergency response and recovery efforts. A new study reveals a stark disparity in growth and weight gain between men and women over the past century. Research analyzing data from numerous countries indicates men have experienced twice the rate of increase in both height and weight compared to women. For example, the study highlights a 4% increase in average male height in the UK during the first half of the 20th century, compared to a 1.9% increase in average female height. These findings suggest a complex interplay of factors influencing growth and weight patterns, warranting further investigation to fully understand the underlying causes and implications. In response to continuing incidents of disruptive passenger behavior on flights, Ryanair's CEO has advocated for the implementation of a 2-drink limit at airports. This proposal comes amidst growing concerns about unruly conduct during air travel, which is often linked to excessive alcohol consumption. The ongoing issue of disruptive behavior on flights underscores the need for proactive measures to ensure passenger safety and maintain a peaceful travel environment. The airline industry is actively seeking solutions to curb disruptive behavior and enhance passenger safety. A purported natural supplement marketed to young French men under the name Love Honey is gaining popularity. However, the product's key ingredient is simply Viagra, albeit unregulated, and has been linked to serious health risks. The lack of regulation poses a significant threat to consumer health, highlighting the dangers of using unregulated products that lack proper oversight and quality control. The potential for adverse health outcomes due to the consumption of unregulated supplements underscores the critical importance of choosing only products that have been thoroughly vetted and meet established safety standards. First Thing is a daily newsletter delivered to thousands of subscribers. If you are not currently subscribed, we encourage you to sign up today. Should you have any questions or require additional information regarding our newsletters, please do not hesitate to contact us via email at newsletters@theguardian.com.